tell everybody I'll talk to them later. Alright, they out there playing in the sun. I know it. Too hot. You know what I mean? Alright, well I'll talk to you later. Good night. At least somebody getting some rest. You know, yeah. So they're gonna go hiking after this, after the boat ride?
Might get lost on purpose if they do.
No, I think they're supposed to go hiking.
On his boats get done away that time.
What time dinner is around 6?
5 or 6.
On YouTube. Hmm? What did you say?
5 or 6.
Were you video recording? You should.
He's gonna like it.
What is that show with the...
Playing some videos.
Should we wake him?
I think it's funnier to leave him sleeping.
Yeah.
I want to videotape to scare him.
I'll throw this at his feet.
Oh, man.
Hit him twice. We'll log on him.
I go sleep that sun.
Put a title says camping for little kids. This is commercial for camping for little kids. Camp, sleep a lot. You know?
He's moving.
What you do on the internet, you start stacking stuff with people. See how much they can get on before
Get the
they wake up.
Sharpie. Get the Sharpie.
Here, I'll hold the camera.
No. He'll eat me. It's already 4 minutes long. I was coming up to get water.